Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today we will see this flyback driver circuit. The flyback is a special type of transformer that is specifically designed to produce very high voltages, between 10 and 30,000 volts. In order to make them work, we need to apply high frequency AC or pulsating DC. And that's the reason that we need a driver circuit. Here we can see the diagram. It is an oscillator based on the 555 integrated circuit in a stable mode. I have a previous video on the channel where I discuss the use of this IC, and I will leave you the link in the video description. The output of the timer is here on pin 3. It is a high frequency square wave, and this goes to the MOSFET to raise the power. And the MOSFET drives this coil, which is wound on the transformer core. We will see how to wind this coil. We have this potentiometer here to change the frequency output in order to adjust for the particular type of flyback that we are using. And the circuit uses from 6 to 15 volts DC. You can obtain a flyback from an old TV or computer monitor of the type that used the cathodic ray tubes. The modern LCD or plasma type do not have this kind of flyback. The flyback transformer has an internal primary coil. However, using this internal primary has two problems. First, we need to find out which of the pins correspond to the primary coil, which is not easy. And second, we need to drive the internal primary coil at around 100 volts. For that reason, it is better to wind our own primary coil in the core of the flyback. In this way, we can use a much lower voltage of around 10 volts. Here you can see the primary coil. It is just a piece of insulated wire. I am using 8 turns of wire in the flyback core. But you can experiment with the number of turns. You can use anywhere from 5 to 15 turns depending on the particular flyback that you have at hand. Here you can see the circuit on breadboard, and the MOSFET is separated because it needs a heat sink. Let's now test how it works. I'm going to turn on the power supply. The arc jumps a distance of around 15 millimeters, so the voltage is around 15,000 volts. Okay, there you have it, a simple driver circuit for flybacks, so you can have a homemade high voltage power supply. Thanks for your visit and see you in the next video.